This is a YouTube Mommy Meetup collab video where I'll be unboxing candy. I'd like to thank Crystal from Brought to You by Mom. Hello. It's good to see you again. Guess what? Today we're going to eat some candy. You know why? Because Crystal from Brought to You by Mom, she's most awesome, and she had this fabulous idea, buy 5 or 10 pieces of candy, unopen it, eat it, tell you about it. It's going to be fantastic. Do you want to try some candy? Okay, he cannot stand it, so let's get him started with some candy. I got this one. It's a caramel apple pop, and these usually come out during Halloween time, and this has broken my tooth twice. Where I have a fake tooth over, anyway, it gets stuck. Anyway, you have to be careful with this if you have dentures or...
No.
Okay, you can have this one. You want to taste this one? Taste it. Maybe that will keep him occupied while I show you the other 15 candies I got. This one is a Villo milk. It's creamy, flowing marshmallows. She said it was like a Reese's peanut butter cup, but instead of peanut butter, flowing marshmallow. And I've never tried this before. It looks like a peanut butter cup. It's a milk chocolate. I kind of thought it was dark chocolate there for a minute. I love dark chocolate. Milk chocolate's good too. Check that out. It's very sweet. And all over your chin. Yeah, that's a special treat. I've never seen anything like it. If you like marshmallow, you'll love this. This might be really good camping in between 2 graham crackers. Or all over your chin. Look, I got a look. This is dark chocolate. And the lady told me this is chocolate covered nougat. Nougat, how do you say that? With peanuts. And you have to break it like that to eat it. That's what she told me. She said I would have to slap it upon the table. You don't like it? Well, this is definitely dark chocolate. You want some of that? It's chewy. It's got nougat and peanuts. It's very chewy. It's very chewy. You like it? Oh, I'm opening this before I'm showing you. Goo Goo Cluster. The original. This is milk chocolate. I think peanuts and marshmallow. Let's see. I've never had this either. Oh, look. I have marshmallow all over. How long was that marshmallow on my face? This kind of tastes like a Snicker bar. Like a homemade Snicker bar. It has peanuts and this soft nougaty. Nougaty, is that a word? Look. Remember these suckers? I used to get these at the Pink Poodle coffee shop where my mom used to work. Chupas, I don't know, they're suckers. And look, the sucker has a hole. Can you see the hole? Oh, and they're swirled just like I remember. Here, you want this one? I already know what it tastes like. It's yummy. I also got the classic Sugar Daddy. No? You don't like it? That's because you have to suck on it for a little bit for it to get any flavor. I got a bit of honey. This is just not as sweet as I remember. Oh honey, this is my favorite. quite hard. This is really good sitting in your car on a warm summer day. You want to try this again?
No.
No. I got a Mary Jane. I also got a squirrel nut zipper. These things are all kind of the same. I bet some of them have more of a maple flavor. Maybe more of a peanut flavor. They gave me saltwater taffy. I also got this. It's a red velvet cake chocolate. And these guys are local. Maybe local to the Northwest. Oh no, these aren't local. Oh no, they're Denver, Colorado. But the thing with these is they're all made with great things. Like chocolate. Good sugar. Oh, it smells yummy. Look, it has an H on it for Hammonds. Mmm. And it's gooey on the inside. Can you see that gooey? Mmm. Mmm. You want some of that? Mmm. Okay, I got something weird. I should have tried this first. Boatin rice candy. Like Hammonds Candies, no fructose corn syrup. This is made with high fructose corn syrup. Oh, it's like a little candy. Get this. I think when I picked this up, it said that the packaging was also edible. It seems like plastic to me. Oh, maybe it's this coating. Yeah, there's another little wrapper on there. You see that? Apparently, the wrapper is also edible. Well, yeah, because you kind of can't even get it off the candy. I don't know about this one. Oh, I thought it would be hard, but it's chewy. Kind of like a gummy bear. Yeah, it's really not as good as a gummy bear. I think they're all the same, and the flavor is kind of an orange melon. And it came with a sticker. You want a sticker?
No.
You don't want a sticker? Okay.
No.
I got this Chico stick. I used to love these when I was little. It's crunchy, and it has like peanut butter. It has like a salted outside or something. You see that? Oh man, I used to love these when I was little.
No.
My nanny used to get these for me at a store called the Franco's. I'm sure it wasn't the Franco's, but it was Franco's. I spent the most money on this right here. It's Seattle Chocolates Pike Place Espresso. $4. Oh, and it's dark chocolate and it smells so good. And look, you could share it with 4 people or not. Oh, this just smells so good. It says this is what happiness tastes like. And it is happiness. And that's why I saved this to the end. It's creamy and silky, and I love Seattle. And Pike Place Market rocks. And it's worth $4. I want to send you lots of love from my house to yours. Everyone have a great day. Thanks, Crystal. I love candy. Bye. Do you want to know what my favorites are? This chocolate, that's my favorite. Then maybe this Goo Goo Cluster was really good. And this one right here, this Chico stick, it brings back memories. So I love this one. Bite it. You like that one?
Mm.